Hey everybody, how are you? It's your boy Rami. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're in good health. And Eid Mubarak to everybody that is celebrating. I'm making this video because it's actually quite a popular request that quite a few people have made, especially in regards to my videos in the past dealing with addictions and losing money and things like that. People want to know how my finances are or what my goals are and ambitions are with my finances. First of all, I want to thank you all for being supportive of me, and for pushing me in this way because many excuses have come in the past. But this is a time now where I don't present myself with excuses, where I actually have a plan and where I'm actually doing my very best to get this plan into action. And that's definitely what I've been doing. Now, a lot of people have been, I had plans 1 year ago that by now I would have saved $30,000. And unfortunately, that plan didn't come into fruition because I didn't get a job. I couldn't get a job. Now, guys, if I were to show you my email list of all the job applications I've made, about 170 job applications in the last year, about 17 job interviews. And I've kind of come to accept that job hunting these days is different than it was in the past. Job hunting before was easy. You'd look at a job, it would match your skills, you would apply, you'll do an interview, bam, you're hired. But now it's a lot more difficult, guys. All around the world, but especially here in Australia, we have inflation, the cost of living is going crazy. That, a lot of people are now working two jobs. We have a huge amount of immigration in this country that's boosted our population levels so much. So I'm now also competing with these migrants that have come, and it makes it difficult. So I've come to accept that this is the way life is at the moment. But it doesn't mean that I don't have a plan. So guys, the first thing is first. What I'm intending to do is to get a full-time job, okay? And what I'm going to do is, as soon as I get this job, my saving streak will begin immediately, okay? So what I intend to do is to save between 30 to 40% of my entire yearly income from the job that I get. So whenever this job occurs, and I have a feeling it's soon, God willing, around the corner, whenever the job begins, from my first paycheck, every single paycheck, I'll be saving 30 to 40%. So that will be my total amount of my yearly salary. That is my plan. Not only that, but I also want to try and make some bonus money. And what I mean by that is use some of that money for my business, with Aurora Naturopathics, with, going to markets, advertising, going to wholesales, shops, things like that, trying to get my products up there and trying to get some extra income on top of what I'll be earning. That will be very important for me as well. But at the moment, guys, I'm missing a key element, and that's a job. So obviously this journey hasn't fully functionally began yet, but it's definitely a plan and it's definitely something that I'm going to stick to. And this, I promise you, I intend to aggressively start saving as soon as I get a job. And hopefully that good news will come very soon. It's been a long time. But I want to thank you guys for your curiosities and for you supporting me and pushing me to do something. And I really am trying, guys. I'm really trying my hardest. But I'm also trying not to let it get me down. I'm trying to remain focused. I'm trying to keep this plan of action in the back of my mind and to ensure that I don't let anybody down, especially myself, and that I stick with this plan. So at the moment, I have a plan. I definitely have a plan, and I'm looking forward to actioning the plan. But obviously, guys, when you have key ingredients missing from the recipe, you can't get cooking. All right? And that's what I'm trying to do right now. I want to be cooking, but I can't cook yet. But I really can't wait to get a job and to start this aggressive savings routine. I need to take advantage of many kind of situations that I'm in, besides the one that I'm in. So for example, I'll need to take advantage of the fact that I'm capable to save a good chunk of my money even at this point in my life once I get a job. So I'm not going to go around wasting it. It's going to be an aggressive campaign to save, and also try and make some, some secondary income in the meanwhile. And that's something that I'm really hoping to do. As soon as I get a job, then I could actually start showing you and proving to you that I'm following through on my plan, because I don't want to be a man that just speaks, yaps, and doesn't do anything. I want to be a man of my word, where my actions align with my words. That's what I want to do. So guys, that's just a very quick update from my end with what I'm doing, what my plans are for the near future. And I know I haven't really responded to people or made a video about this topic because I've been severely limited. I don't have the resources to action what I need to. But in the meanwhile, I still think it's important that I talk about it to let you know that I'm listening, that I'm really glad that you're rooting for me, guys, and I'm really confident that in the near future, God willing, as long as my health is still here, that I'll be in a really good place. A much better place. That's where I want to be at, guys. Lots of love to you all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Got some very interesting videos coming up as well. All right, peace.